Hello everyone guys, today I'm gonna teach you the market structure and substructure. I'm gonna show you the best point of interest, tell about higher lows, higher highs, about the breakout structure and about other things. Lesson will be short, you will use this information, so enjoy watching. Let's begin with market structure. Its main structure, it looks like this. It's direct movement on price in one side, uptrend and downtrend. These points are higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high and higher low, way marked like this. You can mark lows and highs like that, but on the bearish market it's marked like lower high and lower low. Higher high is the highest candle of the movement and higher low is the lowest candle in the movement. The attack movement is when one higher high change another higher high by capturing the liquidity and have small correction for the beginning of our movement. Bearish trend work exactly the same. Lower high and lower low appear. We took the liquidity, watch format and continue movement. Now let's talk about the changing the price action. For example, it's uptrend and the break of structures marked like that, both. And to break the structure, the price need to break down the liquidity, the price took liquidity, and the break of structure will be in these three candles entering in this point, and here will be formed imbalance or EG, and you can enter the deal to the short position. It's work exactly the same on the break of bearish trend. The price take liquidity, takes the power for movement. We test our point of interest, for example VG or open block, and continue the movement for taking our liquidity pools, word format, and just with this information you can enter the deal and take profit. So let's take a look about the substructure. Every big structural movement has its own substructure. For example, on one day the substructure will be 4 hours, 1 hour and lower time frames. You need to see main movements on the main time frames. It's 1 day, 4 hours, 1 week. It's the most valid way to find the direction of price. And as I mentioned in VBG lesson, you need to trade by trend. For example, in this situation, we have uptrend and we look for a short position. For example, here we can see order block and VBG in this point, and we can enter view in two ways: from order block, from VBG with stop like this, or conservative stop, and move our take profits for time high. Well, we can enter a order block like this. Later I will show you examples in the chart, so remember, trade by trend. It's the most profit way, don't be stupid. So let's continue about substructure. You can see movements like this, but it's uptrend. But on the lower time frames we can see movements not like this. It can be slow substructure on the lower time frame, and it didn't mean what the movement of this structure will be go down like this. So trade by the structure of the main time frame, and if you see the break structure on the substructure like this, you can open short positions on the short-term short positions with high risk. But at the end, the price will return to uptrend, and we will wait for short position only in situation if the movement on my chart will be like this: no new higher lows, no new higher highs, but beginning of forming higher low, lower lows and low highs, and if it break this point, it will be down structure on the main time frame, and we are waiting for its confirm. For example, retest of imbalance and low down. It's confirming of it's confirm our break of structure. So let's take some examples in the chart. For example, now Bitcoin in uptrend. To see the trend, you can use arrows to define the trend, and it will be easy. Here we can see high highs and high lows. You can train in the market with me, just repeat after me, and we will teach and you will learn market structure. So let's have a quick talk about premium and discount market. You can detect it with Fibonacci grid. The premium market is price range higher than 0.5 of Fibonacci grid, and here is the best way to look in for long positions. If you are in uptrend, here is the best place to buy some crypto and the price will go up. It's defined from high low and high high of the movement, and to make Fibonacci grid like me you need to go to settings and set settings like me. The risk values is the best way to enter the deal. For example, here you can see the best way to enter the deal from the imbalance. It will be 1% 100 trade, the 100% trade, because it's in our discount markets. This discount market is premium market. Premium market is the best values to go short, and discount market is the best values to go long. And if the price take our imbalance, it will be 100% deal, but in this case it didn't take our limit order, so we skip with deal. But we are not disappointed because it's just a part of our work. It will happen often, so just don't disappoint. If you guys need more information about market structure or Fibonacci grid, discount market and premium market, just write in the comments. I will make a more detailed video. Here I teach you about the base of this topic, so you can begin trade just with this information. Now let's have a look about downtrend. Here we have downtrend of our Bitcoin. We can define it with these movements, lower lows, lower highs. Here on this point we can see the breaker structure, so the price formed another high high. Here it will be high low, here higher high. So at this point we can enter the long position. Here the price is here. We can see 3 candles higher than previous lower high, and it means the break of structure. So here we can look for long positions, for example from this order block or this imbalance with conservative stop loss, on how I teach you 0.5 values of Fibonacci, and with conservative stop loss. It will be not the best deal, but you can see another point of interest, point of deals, and of ending the deal on the lower time frame. And here we can see the little uptrend. For example, to look at the substructure, we can roll to, for example, 1 or 2 hours and look on it. This is how substructure looks. So on the higher time frames we have bullish trend, so we can go to 2 hours and look here for all long positions. For example, here we can enter from imbalance, and it will be a good deal, or we can define it as a sideline movement, and we can wait for capturing the liquidity on these meanings and enter the deal. Here we have 2 confirmations of our long positions, take the liquidity and the imbalance, and 1 minute order block here. So it's 100% deal, so it's substructure has its own break of structures, high highs and high lows. So here we can see the beginning of bullish movement, and here we can define the break of structure for long positions. Before it was bearish movement. Here we have break of structure and look for a long position, and this is our enter point. Approach movement continues. Here we can see the break of structure. It's formed lower lows, lower highs, and another break of structure to a long. Yes, it happens like this. If you define or determine the structure long, wrong, don't worry, just train yourself and it will be better with every day. Let's have more examples for breaking the structure. Yes, this point looks like a breaking the structure. Candles fixed for the lower high, but the impulsive movement rate is plunged and it is continuing to be the bullish movement as well to lower. I give you a few seconds to find the break structure by itself. Take a screenshot and draw on it. So it's idle movement. As for me, I prefer to say to trade in side movements because I can easily define the movement by taking the liquidity. For example, like this, it's a sideway movement was defined for lower point and higher point. Here you can see the buying in discount market and selling in PMM market, and the price every time when it grabs the liquidity and go up. So it's the best point to go to long position, like on this example. So here we can see the breakaway structure, and this point the price impulsive break it, so we can define it like a break structure. For this point we looking for long positions, for example from this imbalance or this order block for capturing the best liquidity. After that we have this breakout structure, but it's not the breakout structure, it's the liquidity hunting. The price that is key from these points go to a forward movement, and these values we can define the breakout structure because candles fixed had a small bearish movement, but after that there is a structure again and went for a long movement. So let's have a quick look on the substructure. For example, here you can see down movement. This means that on the low time frame here you can see the breakout structure. So let's take a look and 1 hour time frame. So here we can see the breakout structure, substructure. It can be marked as like this. So here we can see downtrend movement, but we have a bullish movement on the older time frames. So we are waiting for an hour break of structure for the long and looking for long positions. For example, here break of substructure to long positions, and here you can find our points, our entry points. For example, in this situation, or confirming this VG, this VG order blocks, resistance levels, and go for long positions, and it will be a good trade for you. So guys, thank you for listening this educational lesson. If you like it, drop the likes, follow my channel, and write comments what you want to see in the next time. See you later.